Kwari so yina tin agbemi ju evie kwa ije o ebu wego su wegbe ije o bu wego balove gbe o. My people, I don't know say most of Abbat's puppies I mean, I'm not even gbeken. I know say una go come insult una mama or insult una papa. Me I forgive una. Una papa, una mama, now una want throw insult to. Then say na where person dey walk. Na there na if for dey see kwangbe. Na ekenoma na win na bani na mi kwangbe. About ekenwe na win na bani we na mi kwangbe. So which one you come dey like you dey cry one you say na Tony Kabaka. Okay, according to you, you say people wey dey inside your house. You say dem tell you say na Tony Kabaka. After when they don't destroy the house finish, now they can still tell you say, or that they can still tell the people say, may they call you, may they tell you say Tony Kabaka he come. Okay now. You know why they laugh. About waiting you they give people, you know the fit take can. Hey, now only makak boko, they just destroy small something for inside there. If you do go repair and all go when you want go for okay. Na person you na then just yawa go yawa nothing to even like say na the dology oh now something still there. You see that your mouth wey be say no they make you say they know people wey senior you know they know elder you know they know anybody na because of you na people they throw mouth go they give your mama they give your papa you see they dunya nia wetin you see for your own you go take am ekenoma na win na ba na mi kwangbe o come no wa. So no come dey like nya for live video. According to you say na Tony Kabaka, oh yeah na go face am. Buy ticket make you go meet am where you wan get buy. Now make some people they not like politician because this is the way they do. This is the way they do their things. But the problem wey dey for inside, Abba come carry you put for head, come like do am like personal issue. Not be only about then they do politics so. Not be only you want they talk about all this politics of a thing. Most people they use their brain, they enter house. I know come here come they pity you. No, I don't feel pity you because you don't gberi. Even this Tony Kabaka where you they talk about now say na him same people, na him go there. Me, I don't know whether na truth because where you they find where you want drop people down. You dey find where you want drop people down. You don't be kind many people. So people go see their experts at any time. If you be saying man we more corner and there money at all. If you be saying another person, you just see the opportunity to enter inside. Now I make sometimes that they talk say not they use your mouth they talk for public waiting you not go want do. Person if you go do am for your care, yes, it's still there for that one. Because Abbat, igbiri, ogbomo bona gbomo we. Wetin Abba never do people in all day. So Abba make you get am for mind. Say now where person they walk, now where for they see temptation, now then I something for the come. So if you cry small, you rest. If you not rest, you are your now people now they just one go here. Then just finish everything. Your now only window, toilet, something like that, which you go see buy put you go see repair am. Then next time you learn how to dey do something, you know sabi do politics. Work but no be only you want be say if they talk about politics, this one the other one, but you all can't be like wetin dey worry this one. Now so you all can't be even your papa your mama then they talk to you, you say you know they hear na me ever na be this one. If they let they finish the house, now not concern anybody. You not carry our money come run, come sit down for UK. Abi you want to tell us say those state money you never see 1 cent for inside. So if they like, they just remove the roof, they just comot everything. Now politics you they do now. Which one can be this one, the other one? If na another person you now for the talk say that one na innocent person. You where you they shout morning till evening. You want to tell us say PDP they know they give you money. Who will shout your toeka? All the own money will be say Obazee use maybe one use to do something. They give you now, make your body they catch you, now make you they shout. The rest people you see say they don't small, they suffering enter house. Your own you say no. So if they let the job come remove the house, come up for grant, problem not there. Now waiting, now we are not there you for the work. Abi, now yo. So this one where you come dey shout say Tony Kabaka do this one. Now so na they do na self. So not what they do like say this one. Politics we know the way we attend they do now. Carry car why go where. So no be your go can't change. Say oh na not see what Tony Kabaka do, but because we don't know whether na he do one. Because of say that one just talk because you don't like. Many people where you don't use stone take stone there you say they no see anything do you. They will start from there. You see, so me I happy say nothing do your parents because your parents not even they stay there because they don't send you. We don't see audio say they don't send you. You be picky where they be say they talk to you know they hear. Now I make you wrong go sit down for UK because you know say if you there for Nigeria this nonsense way they do you know they try now. If you not there for social media not there for abroad you know they behave anyhow. For Europe where you there you don't see say then they do like that. The answer is no. E get where you go talk rich. You go withdraw but una go to the extent say na abroad una dey so una no dey go as again about yewe boyawo wa abroad na it can be your house no go again because many people they wey be say don't spoil their name the name wey be say they build where they never even enter politics about just use all of them take turn to poto in the name of say in want do politics and if you dey do politics when so why you can't dey tell us say they don't destroy your window they don't destroy your toilet maybe we can't dey pity for you we no feel pity for you okay because you can na win na vania na mi kwangbe in win na no we win na na ni kwangbe no bu ye dey without since you say you know the year word they say when you dey for politics some people they when they do politics if they don't they born they'll withdraw because they no need time. They know the way politics stay there. And about not sabi play the game. That be the problem. People they call you, they where you war. Go report to a UK police. Go do this one. If you go, now you carry yourself go. Because evidence they online. As you say, they destroy many people name. Or in the name of say politics. You know if you come up for your country. Come sit down for another man country. Come they throw catapult, go house. They go even join that to your house. Carry you. Here don't move work. Bada. They'll carry you go home. Because you know sabi do politics. So they want push you. May you go Ogbalegbe. I pray may you go. If you go, you okay here where you see all those people where they tell you say, but no worry, go police, go tell UK this one. Go tell you if you they go carry your this thing join now, tell them say you be politics, say you they destroy people image. Those one will be say you carry go like that or if you don't carry go, people carry get all this evidence. Not be person way fetish them. Because person will be say you wait here near here you don't just take bay you can't tell me no cry. Many people will be say you don't bring ya. So you know where fear man you know the one make they even knock you. Hey, shekeleting like this some more. You just the shout. That's so they carry camera. Una go. Camera oh. Una do mia way. Now where you for the walk. Now then you for the see coin. Camera oh nobody could mind you. You go see come now say they don't destroy your house. No, you not be a politician. I be not be so not they do na game. More than they do and they go like that. What you can consign us? You not consign anybody. Why shout in man? Find money, may you take go repair now. The thing where be said then destroy for them. Maybe if it's too much, may I just say maybe 600,000 or 1 million. Obazee go give you problem not the PDP. They will give you. Continue like that. This will me. People where be say they do the politics. Nobody touch their household. Some of them were even there for PDP. Some of them don't run go APC. Because they say na politics we they do. They know how to play the game. About no sabi play the game. Or when you won't na what it can concern everybody. Or would you can wele? Or would you wele? What it can concern anybody? They join your way here like this with the shout. Not be people has then destroy. They still there alive. They say, your papa tell you say you know the year. Your mama tell you say you know the year. You say no mind when now you want to do something. You say do something now. If you cry some more enter us. Man, picking when they talk to know the year what. Tony Kabaka don't destroy my house. How did you know? Say na Tony Kabaka. I been a people where be say you don't fair beat before. Where you don't shook something for inside their ear. Now they go say, may we use that, may we take you example. We dey here anyway, my brothers and sisters. I not believe say na Tony Kabaka. I not believe. Because Tony Kabaka with Terranomigo, they still get out boss back. They can still settle their issue. They say na politics. Abati maho munyahu. no care of you biani e babana no care of you dear what you wanna share this video my people nyama nyama I'm on agugwa na ehu